Eat garlic? Avoid these 7 dangerous mistakes. Garlic has been praised for centuries as a natural healer, yet when used the wrong way, it can cause more harm than good, especially for seniors. In this video, you are going to discover the 7 most dangerous mistakes people over 60 often make with garlic, why these mistakes can be risky for your health, and how you can avoid them while still enjoying garlic's many benefits. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, science-based plan to safely include garlic in your life, protect your health, and avoid unwanted side effects. Garlic contains compounds like allicin and sulfur derivatives that can improve blood flow, reduce cholesterol, and support immunity. But these same compounds can also interfere with medications, upset your digestive system, and cause problems if consumed the wrong way. So let's begin with the first mistake. Mistake number 1. Ignoring medication interactions. Garlic has been shown in studies to interact with blood thinners such as warfarin and aspirin. Research published by the American Family Physician and supported by the Linus Institute shows that garlic may enhance the anticoagulant effects of these drugs, increasing the risk of internal bleeding, easy bruising, and prolonged wound healing. For seniors already taking medications for high blood pressure, heart disease, or diabetes, this can be especially dangerous. If you are scheduled for surgery or a dental procedure, taking large amounts of garlic, especially supplements or aged garlic extracts, can increase bleeding risk. The safe solution is to always inform your doctor about your garlic use, whether it's raw garlic, garlic oil, or capsules. And if surgery is planned, most experts recommend stopping garlic supplements at least a week in advance. Mistake number 2. Consuming garlic in excessively high doses without medical oversight. You know, many seniors assume that because garlic is natural, more must be better. But this is not true. A mini review published in Frontiers in Nutrition in 2024 found that while doses of 4 to 5 grams of raw garlic daily could offer health benefits, higher doses of up to 20 grams were associated with gastrointestinal distress, liver stress, and possible toxicity if continued long-term. For seniors whose digestive systems may already be sensitive, this can lead to bloating, cramps, or diarrhea. The safe solution here is to keep your intake moderate. 1 clove of raw garlic daily, or about 3 to 5 grams, is considered both safe and beneficial. If you want to take supplements, start slow and always consult your physician before increasing the dose. Mistake number 3. Relying exclusively on supplements and believing they have the same effects as raw garlic. A landmark study published in JAMA. Internal Medicine tested raw garlic, powdered garlic supplements, and aged garlic extracts in adults with high cholesterol over 6 months. The results showed no significant difference in LDL cholesterol between the garlic groups and placebo. This means garlic may not be as powerful as some supplement companies claim, and not all forms deliver the same results. Raw garlic contains allicin, which is unstable and breaks down quickly, while supplements often contain aged or deodorized forms with less allicin. That does not make them useless. But seniors should not assume that popping a garlic pill has the same effect as fresh, raw garlic. The safe solution is to combine forms. Use small amounts of raw garlic in food for allicin benefits, and consider aged garlic extract if raw garlic irritates your stomach, but never rely on supplements as your only source of garlic. Mistake number 4. Eating garlic the wrong way or at the wrong time. Garlic's power comes from the enzyme Linus, which converts allene into allicin, the active compound. But heat destroys this enzyme. If you chop garlic and immediately throw it into hot oil or boiling soup, the enzyme is deactivated before allicin can form. Studies recommend letting garlic sit for 5 to 10 minutes after chopping or crushing to allow the enzyme to produce allicin. Another mistake is eating raw garlic on an empty stomach, which can cause irritation, nausea, and even vomiting in sensitive seniors. The safe solution is simple. Always crush or chop your garlic. Wait a few minutes and then use it. If you want to cook it, add it toward the end of cooking or after removing food from heat. And for those with sensitive digestion, take garlic with meals rather than on an empty stomach. Mistake number 5, is underestimating garlic's gastrointestinal side effects. While garlic is excellent for the immune system, it can also cause heartburn, bloating, and, excessive gas. The Linus Institute highlights that digestive issues are among the most common adverse effects of garlic use, especially in higher doses. Seniors with conditions like acid reflux, gastritis, or ulcers can find raw garlic especially harsh. The safe solution is to start with very small amounts, such as half a clove, and just see how your body reacts. Roasted garlic is gentler than raw, and aged garlic supplements are usually easier on the stomach. Drinking water and combining garlic with food also reduces irritation. Mistake number 6, not considering special health conditions such as surgery, chronic illnesses, or age-related sensitivities. Seniors often face multiple health challenges, from slower liver metabolism to reduced kidney function, making them more vulnerable to garlic's side effects. If you have diabetes, garlic may enhance insulin sensitivity, but that means it could also cause low blood sugar if you are already on diabetes medication. If you have heart disease and take antiplatelet drugs, garlic can thin the blood further. If you have liver disease, too much garlic may stress the liver. The safe solution is to review your medications and health conditions with a doctor or pharmacist before starting a garlic regimen. This is especially important before surgery, where garlic's blood-thinning effects could be life-threatening. Mistake number 7, believing myths and ignoring science. There are endless exaggerated claims about garlic. Some folks say it cures cancer, lowers cholesterol instantly, or completely prevents heart attacks. While garlic does have proven benefits, these claims are not fully supported by randomized clinical trials. A review of clinical studies shows garlic may modestly reduce cholesterol by about 5%, may reduce blood pressure slightly, and might improve antioxidant status, but honestly, the effects vary from person to person. Overstating garlic's powers can lead seniors to abandon other essential health practices like balanced diets, exercise, or prescribed medications. The safe solution is to view garlic as a helpful tool, not a miracle cure. So, use it alongside a healthy lifestyle that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, exercise, and regular medical care. So let's recap quickly. Garlic is, a powerful natural remedy, but misusing it can actually lead to some dangerous consequences, especially for seniors. The 7 big mistakes are ignoring medication interactions, taking excessively high doses, relying only on supplements, eating garlic the wrong way, underestimating digestive side effects, ignoring special conditions, and believing exaggerated claims. The safe guidelines for seniors are clear. Stick to 1 clove per day or moderate supplement use. Crush and rest garlic before cooking. Eat it with food to protect the stomach. Stop use before surgery. Disclose garlic use to your doctor, and treat garlic as one part of a holistic lifestyle. Scientific studies, such as those published in Frontiers in Nutrition in 2024, JAMA Internal Medicine in 2007, and reviews from the American Family Physician and the Linus Institute, provide the evidence behind these recommendations. So the next time you reach for garlic, do it wisely. Use it to boost your immunity, protect your heart, and support your health. But avoid the common mistakes that could turn a natural healer into a hidden risk. By respecting garlic's power and applying these evidence-based practices, you can enjoy its benefits safely well into your senior years. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends and family. Because the more seniors who learn to avoid these mistakes, the healthier and safer our community becomes.